Okay, one more example for 5.5. We have a fraction with x's with rational and negative exponents. We want to simplify this so that we have no negative exponents. And then after we do that, we're going to set it equal to 0 to solve for x. So first of all, we want to get rid of those negative exponents. So we're going to use the fact that we can multiply top and bottom by the same thing, and we want to choose what that is. So we're going to want to get rid of that x to the negative 2/3. So if we multiply top and bottom by x to a positive 2/3, all right. Okay, the top, we got to remember that's in parentheses, so we're going to distribute. Okay, we distribute that x to the 2/3 times x to the negative 2/3. That's going to become x to the, and remember we add the exponent, so negative 2/3 plus positive 2/3. All right, now multiply the x to the 2/3 times the x to the 1/3. And we're going to get plus x, and we add those exponents, 1/3 plus 2/3. All right, now in the denominator, we have x times x to the 2/3. So that x is like having a 3/3 because it's just x to the 1. So when we multiply those together, we're going to get x, and then we're going to add the exponents. So 3/3 plus 2/3. So let's simplify. So in the numerator, when we add those exponents, we get x to the 0. And then when we add the exponents for the second term there, we add those. Let's see, I need to fix one thing. This should be, that should be a 3 right there. So let's change that to 1/3. So 1/3 to 2/3 plus 2/3, that's going to be x to the 1. And then in the denominator, we have x to the, adding those together, we get 5/3 for the exponent. Okay, so x to the 1, x to the 0 is a 1, x to the 1 is x, and in the denominator we have x to the 5/3. So that's part A. We simplified it so that we don't have any negative exponents. And now we want to set it equal to 0 and solve for x. So whenever we have a fraction that is set equal to 0, we have to remember the only way to make that 0 is if the numerator is equal to 0. As long as the denominator does not equal 0, then it's just the numerator that will make that whole fraction equal to 0. So we just simply have 1 plus x equals 0. So x is equal to -1.